time. Now is my time.
Ito po. Canada po. Thank you so much po. Thank you.
Everybody rock with me because I'm up now. Took your girl and I'm scored like I made the touchdown. Swerving in a Lambo, doors go up, not on the bus now. Used to want a G-Shock, now I'm walking with a bus down. Pull up and I'm flooded with a iced out watch. With it look like butter, baby, pecan.
Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Taiwan. Layover natin, ang flight natin ay 11:55 papuntang Vancouver. After Vancouver, punta tayo ng Edmonton. Kikitain pala natin yung girlfriend ko. Samahan niyo ako mamaya papuntang Vancouver. Let's go! Hello guys, dito na ako sa Canada. Kasama ko na ang aking girlfriend. Iba na masasabi mo?
Welcome to Canada.
Let's go.
Uy, yung sweater.
What up guys, nandito nga pala kami ngayon sa hotel. Magbe-breakfast muna kami, tapos maya-maya punta kami sa WEM. Kaya samahan niyo ako. Let's go!
Today, we're at Costco. Ito, Bibo, meron silang 19 lang. Anong medium ka, no? Blue lang. Ay, may black pala.
Ano ba to? Heat-tech din to?
Wool din. Parang ang ganda nito. Look at it. It's so comfy.